Hello everybody. In our video of today we're gonna check out the speed scripts that came from his tour in Africa. As we all know, speed traveling all these weekish African countries. So we gonna check out some clips that make it some crowd in social media. While I was watching these clips in Africa, I saw some amazing or mad culture in Kenya. There is a Maasai tribe, or there is a Maasai tribe. What they do is they take blood in a cow and they put the blood on a milk and they drink to get some energy. They mean that like they drinking Red Bull or some energy drinks. That's what surprised me when I saw that clip. And Speed never give it up to try or taste that drink or energy drink. And this is his taste of the drink. I think you surprised him. It's a culture in Africa. While you are in Africa, or when you come in Africa, you can see anything that makes you mad or surprised. One of the extremes that Speed streaming in his Africa tour. I saw some clip while he was in Sweden or Botswana, I don't know which country it was. There was a village man, he offered his daughter, but only to give him 20 cows. So, and what Speed did, he never sees a man offering his daughter for 20 cow. I think it surprised him. Well, you know, in Western, well, when it comes to a relationship, the mostly is just an open relationship like boyfriend or girlfriend. So there was something making him surprised.